All right, everyone. I'm going to be kind of quick on this because I have messed up this recording 3 times. And so hopefully this time I don't mess it up. This is my web mock-up. I'm working with a brand influencer named Shea Marie. I'm also working with Cat Protection Society, and I would like for this to be my own personal portfolio, blog, and brand page. So it needs to be something that's versatile, streamlined, because we're all either busy or we have very little computer literacy. And so it needs to be something that we can all work on together. So here's kind of the portfolio page. It's going to be Mosaic. I don't have in here the filtering options, which I would like to have. Similar to the jQuery plugin that I've purchased before, media boxes, but with licensing, and I'm not exactly sure the best way to execute that on WordPress. I've just left it like this until I know more about what my options are. This is stereotypical homepage, fairly simple. Anywhere that there's a picture, I would also like to state that I can either do the effect where the image stays behind and you scroll, or I might also do the sliders and videos. It's kind of interchangeable like that. The girl I'm working with also wants to know about putting in her social media feed, so I may add a widget for that. That was something she just kind of asked about today. This is simple contact page. Then here's the blogs. Again, I'd like for it to have a similar filtering system as mentioned on the portfolio page, and a search bar possibly, but I'm going to have to kind of see again how that all works with WordPress and my backend abilities. I don't want to overcommit myself. And just a simple about page. And here's how this translates to the mobile platform. It's fairly simple, just kind of stack on top of each other and slide in. Just a very responsive, this is the way that we've kind of been taught in class. This is going to be very Mosaic. All right, and so here is what my mock-ups look like so far. This is probably going to just be a feed to the different blog articles. I absolutely despise this contact me page, and I'm going to redo this. Also, the company logo, I left that blank because while I am working with Shea Marie, she does not actually currently have a logo, so I will be working with her on creating the logo. And then, that'll come later. So for now, I just did a placeholder. So that's what this one looks like here. And then here's how this all translated to mobile. And yeah, so I look forward to working with you guys and hearing your feedback and seeing all of your amazing projects, because I know that we are a talented group of individuals. There's a bunch of interactivity here that I didn't really put, like I want to have these things kind of highlight to various, the themes. So maybe this goes orange, maybe this goes peach. The nav buttons, they have all those really cool animations where you hover over one. So with the mobile over here, if I clicked link 1, I'd want it to kind of like highlight in a box the way that it does, and then have the box go white and the text turn black. Just some really cool animation options. So I do want this to be very simple, but I want to have novel interactivity that's not overwhelming. I tend to want to throw everything into a project, and I'm really creative, and I kind of make it a collage, but I'm trying to work better on user experience and simplicity, and then maybe eventually work in some of my more crazy ideas. So again, excited to work with you guys, excited to hear what you have to say, and I'm really excited to see all your projects.